Over here, go to math.com, click on the algebra, let's go down to factoring trinomials. And I guess 7.1 we're doing. Okay. 7.1. So we have x to the fourth minus 80x squared minus 81. I think in the previous video we lost the audio part, and I just don't have time to go back and redo it. So I'm trying to get this algebra done in the month of March. It is time consuming like you don't even know. Very time consuming. We have x to the fourth, so hopefully we won't lose our audio in this one here. But there was a strange background noise on the computer, and I'm not exactly sure what that was, and I think it probably has something to do with that. Okay, so in the previous two problems, we worked with this trinomial that has a degree of 4 here, and so you should have an idea of what we need to be doing here. We're going to let x squared equal u and then do our substitution. So this becomes u squared minus 80u minus 81. Alright, and so once again we're looking for two numbers that we can multiply together to give us 81, and then when we add them we get 80. Now of course we have a minus sign right here, right? And one here, we got to take note of that. And so in other words, one of these a and b is going to be a negative. Okay, just one of them. Either a is negative or b is negative. And then the same thing, the larger number here is going to be the negative number if we're going to get that. I guess I should put that in there. It should be pretty important. So let's take a look at this. So first off, 81, right? 1 times 81 is 81. Could we put a 1 and an 81 in here to get 80? And obviously, the question that is yes, because 81 minus 1 is 80. Right, so let's do that. We'll put 81 here, 1 here, and then this is going to end up being the minus sign, and that'll be the plus. Okay, so look at here. U times u is u squared, u times 1 is 1u, and then minus 81u gives you minus 80, and then negative 81 times 1 is negative 81. Alright. Now let's go back and do the back substitution. We have x squared minus 81 and x squared plus 1. Okay? Now let's take a look at this. This x squared minus 9 squared. Right? 9 squared is 81. Now this is the difference of squares. And I think we worked some of these problems earlier. And so this can actually be factored as x minus 9 times x plus 9. And of course, we're not going to be able to factor that any. So we'll give that actually a name. You can't factor a polynomial, but we won't get into that right now. X minus 9, x plus 9, x squared plus 1. So let's take a look at what we got. X plus 9, x minus 9, x squared plus 1. I think I had a minus here and a plus here, but it doesn't matter. However, it will matter when you go to type it in up here. So looks like a plus sign will always be here and a minus here for this guy. Sorry about that. Okay, ends that problem. Or if you go to math.com, practicing how to factor, come on by, see you in the next problem.